strengthen the growth hormone with the Yuen method. This strengthening is for children and adults alike because growth hormone plays an important role in various functions of the human body, including growth and development, metabolism, tissue repair and regeneration, mental health, and aging. Maintaining healthy growth hormone levels is essential for a good quality of life. This strengthening should be listened to regularly to see the changes you want to see. It's important to mention that the greatest success will come from the combination of different factors like diet, sleep, exercise, stress reduction, and the constant strengthening can help maintain healthy levels of your growth hormone. We will strengthen the proper secretion of the growth hormone. We strengthen the growth and optimal development of the human body. We'll strengthen the pituitary gland for bone and muscle growth and for regulating metabolism and body composition. We'll separate the weaknesses of the hypothalamus, the pineal, and the pituitary. We'll erase weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll balance them to be centered, balanced, and stable. We'll strengthen them and increase their physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination. We'll strengthen the skeletal system and bone density and connect it to the central nervous system back and forth. From top to bottom, from bottom to top, from right to left, from left to right, inside out, outside in, backwards, forwards and forwards, backwards, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to erase your memories of ancestors and descendants from this and other lives, of having had bone diseases such as osteoporosis or osteopenia. We will strengthen muscle mass, the synthesis of proteins in the muscles, and the increase of muscle mass and strength at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We connect, communicate, and resonate growth hormone to metabolic function, to the regulation of the utilization of fats and carbohydrates in the body in all its possible combinations. We are going to strengthen growth hormone for the stimulation of collagen, increase the production of collagen to optimal levels, and strengthen wrinkles and fine lines to be erased. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to increase the production of elastin. We increase the physical potential to growth hormone, strength, agility, flexibility, resistance, coordination, and speed. We're going to connect, communicate, and resonate growth hormone with hair growth and health in both directions. We're going to strengthen the growth hormone to increase keratin production, strengthen nails to be more resilient, erase memories of weak or diseased nails. From 0 to infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to pinpoint the weaknesses of the adenohypophysis and the neurohypophysis and erase them. From 0 to infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will strengthen them and amplify their physical potential. Strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination. Strengthen the adenohypophysis for growth hormone production. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will enhance growth hormone production during childhood and adolescence and enforce its steady increase as you grow. We will enhance deep sleep for the increase and production of the hormone and for its release into the bloodstream. Boost physical intelligence to stimulate the hormone. through good habits like exercise, proper diet, and positive emotions. Let's eliminate the issues that have stopped growth hormone production, such as high blood sugar, low blood sugar, stress, and excess cortisol. We strengthen the stimulation of growth hormone production through exercise, through deep and restful sleep, and through a conscious protein-based diet and consumption of amino acids. We're going to erase the accumulated effect of emotions that have affected growth hormone production. We erase chronic stress, anxiety, depression, and all their cumulative effects. We will strengthen positive emotions like happiness, joy, and gratitude to increase the production of this growth hormone. We strengthen mindfulness and awareness of the present moment to increase growth hormone production. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. You need to know that some foods can stop your body from producing growth hormone. Here are some of them. Sugar, because it makes your insulin levels go up. So we erase the long-term effect of always keeping your insulin levels high. We also erase the habit of eating sugar and the bad information, ideas, and opinions that we have about sugar from ourselves and other people. At 0 minus infinity for 100% of the time with infinite time. We also erase the long-term effect of processed foods, which are full of saturated and trans fats, which have stopped or slowed down the production of this hormone. We also remove the long-term effect of alcohol, too much caffeine that affects the quality of your sleep, and foods that are full of fat, both saturated and trans. We erase all of this at 0 minus infinity for 100% of the time with infinite time. We will boost the growth hormone to increase the use of body fat for energy, make it strong for body reduction, and increasing lean muscle mass. We will enhance the repair and regeneration of body tissues, including muscles, bones, and organs. We fortify all of this 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll make you strong, so it's the same, not the same, different, not different, a change, not a change, a perception, not a perception. Strong, so the growth hormone increases or doesn't increase, decreases or doesn't decrease. We will enhance the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal limits, the external limits and the apexes of the pituitary gland, of you in a general level as body, mind and spirit, and of the growth hormone. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, we will erase everything that impedes, limits, delays, hinders or blocks. We also erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel? The same or different?